Are you looking for the best mini PCs? In this video we will look at some of the best mini PCs the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini M2. Processor, Apple M2 graphics, 10-core Apple GPU, RAM, 8GB storage, 256GB per 512GB SSD, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.3 ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with support for DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, USB 3.1 Gen 2, Thunderbolt 2, HDMI, DVI, VGA, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI port, Gigabit Ethernet port, 3.5mm headphone jack, weight, 2.6 pounds. The Mac Mini M1 was a remarkable mini PC, and Apple has taken the same winning formula and made it even better with the newer Mac Mini M2 equipped with Apple's flagship M2 chip, which is one of the fastest processors around. Don't let its compact size fool you, as this mini PC is a game changer with 8 CPU cores, 10 GPU cores, and up to 24GB of RAM. You'll love how the Mac Mini M2 easily runs all your favorite apps, and like Windows devices, it is compatible with all of the most popular software from Microsoft 365 to Adobe Creative Cloud to Zoom, so you'll never run out of things to do. The Mac Mini M2 is fully equipped with all the necessary ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Gigabit Ethernet, and a headphone jack. It comes with up to 2TB of SSD storage and enough space to store all photo and video libraries, files, and apps without the need to upgrade it. Being an Apple device, the Mac Mini M2 offers more than just raw. Privacy and security are also top priorities with this device. Number 2. Camry AK1 Pro. Processor, Intel 11th Gen and 5105 graphics, Intel UHD RAM, 8GB per 16GB storage, 256GB per 512GB SSD, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth ports, 1 DC, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 1 RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port, 2 HDMI ports, 1 audio input-output, weight, 13.7 ounces. With most mini PCs, you're left settling for a low-performance device just to save on cost. But not with the AK1 Pro. This compact powerhouse delivers decent performance, customization options, and plenty of connectivity options, all while keeping the price tag affordable. It offers great hardware for the price, including an 11th generation Intel Celeron and Jasper Lake quad-core and 5105 processor, 8GB of RAM, Intel UHD graphics, and 256GB of SSD storage that can be expanded up to 2TB. It also has an efficient cooling fan, which means it can handle basic tasks without any problems. Additionally, the AK1 Pro runs on Windows 11 Pro, providing you with a familiar and user-friendly interface. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it convenient for users to connect to the internet and other devices convenient. The selection of ports here is also generous, with a DC, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, Soligen Praho works on Abaca, a Linux-based operating system which is most compatible for IDE platforms like PyCharm, Visual Code Studio to help students learn coding. With guaranteed over-the-air updates till year 2028, Soligen Abaca is designed to deliver a robust compute performance with constant updates that promise to improve the user experience and functionalities with time. Transform your TV into a smart TV by simply connecting it to this powerful, small, and lightweight computer. With its cutting-edge technology, this device is capable of delivering an exceptional computing experience that is unlike any other. Whether you are working on office tasks, attending online classes, or indulging in entertainment, this computer is the perfect companion for all your needs. Number 3. Beelink SER5. Processor, AMD Ryzen 5 5500U graphics, 6-core AMD Radeon RAM, 16GB storage, 500GB SSD, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 Type-C port and 1 audio jack, HP and mic, 1 DC jack, weight, 2.23 pounds. The Beelink SR5 Mini PC is a great value option due to its powerful performance, generous storage capacity, high-quality graphics, and versatile connectivity options at an incredible price. Equipped with a 6-core/12-thread AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, this mini PC offers exceptional performance for both work and gaming. Add to that 16GB DDR4 memory, 6-core AMD Radeon graphics, and a 500GB NVMe SSD, and you have a future-proof device that will serve you well for years to come. The SAR5 supports 4K at 60Hz UHD video and dual displays, making it ideal for design and video editing. The Beelink SR5 Mini PC offers Gigabit Ethernet LAN, dual-band 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple USB ports for added convenience. If you still aren't impressed, it comes with lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and 24/7 after-sales service so that you can buy it without any worries. Number 4. Apple Mac Mini M2 Pro. Processor, Apple M2 Pro graphics, 16-core Apple GPU RAM, 16GB storage, 512GB SSD wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.3 ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with support for DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, USB 3.1 Gen 2, Thunderbolt 2, HDMI, DVI, VGA, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI port, Gigabit Ethernet port, 3.5mm headphone jack, weight, 2.6 pounds. With a more powerful M2 Pro CPU and Apple GPU, packing up to a whopping 12 cores and 19 cores, respectively, the Mac Mini M2 Pro can handle everything you throw at it. You'll also enjoy the lightning-fast performance with up to 32GB of RAM and a massive 200GB per second memory bandwidth, compared to the standard 100GB per second of the Mac Mini M2. Trust us, this device is worth every penny if you are a macOS fan. This makes all the difference, especially if you are a video editor, animator, or programmer who needs some extra oomph to multitask seamlessly. That isn't all, it also supports up to 8TB of SSD storage instead of just 2TB, has 4 Thunderbolt ports instead of 2, and can support up to 3 displays simultaneously. You can configure the Mac Mini M20 Pro with 10GB Ethernet for faster networking speeds. The Mac Mini M2 Pro uses an M1 Max or M1 Ultra chip, which makes it one of the fastest devices that Apple has ever made, with up to a 20-core CPU, 48-core GPU, and up to 64GB of RAM.